Okay, now we are going to see a web application using HTML, CSS, node.js, express.js, and Firestore database. So in this we use these all these to create a web application which I created. My web application is about the movies. So for this I used an API called OMBD API. So in this first of all we should have a Firestore database. So for this, you have to go to Firestore database, which is free database, compared to Oracle and MongoDB. So this is free. So in this, you can just go to there and go to console, and you have to create your own project, and it's just a normal process. So if you go and see, it will be very easy. So I already created a project which is project not. So after creating a project, in this project overview, when you go to the settings and this project settings, here you will have service accounts. So in this service account, we will be having our own private key, so which is different for everybody. So in this, if you click this generate new private key, it will be asking to download this key. So this key will be unique for each and every person. So with this key, the data which are we going to store in this Firebase will be directly stored here. So after this, in this build, you have to go to this authentication. So in the previous video, I think in the login and sign up page, we already did this authentication to authenticate using email, right? So this is also here same. We are again going to authenticate using mails. So after authentication, see here already we had some emails. So these emails are just which we used earlier. So I think these mails are yeah, before if we see this date, these are earlier mails. So authentication after then this is the Firestore database which this data will be stored. Okay, it's yeah, okay. Okay, then after this, now let us go to the code. So in this code, we have login and sign up HTML. So these two are built using the basic HTML concept. So and this style CSS. So these are built using the basic concept HTML and CSS concept, just the login page and the sign up page. So these are just normal things. And here we use this dashboard.ejs. So this is an advanced JavaScript. So in this JavaScript, this dashboard is for after logging into the mail, we have to get a search bar, so that in that search bar we will be searching that movie and we will get this respective information. So it is also in this first we have like document HTML and the CSS part. The CSS part for our decoration, which is in that search box, right? So after this, in the body tag, we have written this class, and here our dashboard name and the search bar, in which we are going to search. So these all are just using normal CS and CS. Now here comes this script. So in this script, first we will be given. I said no. Already before I said that I am using the APIs. This OMBD API, which is for movies. So this is the API key which I got from that OMBD app. So this key is different for every person, and this URL, and after this, these are the codes just for we see this try in this see if you see here const response equal await fetch of URL. So if this URL is correct, and it will go to the response. So if that response is okay and data dot response are true, I mean which are present in that API, so then it displays the result. Else it shows some error that no results found. Or if it catches some any of the errors, so it shows that something went wrong. Please say if in case if we encounter any errors. And this is all the code. I think this by seeing it you can understand. So and now we had in the previous I said that we downloaded our private key of the database, so right, in this key dot that will be in the JSON file. So I just renamed it into key, so for my use. So that key will be using here. So this key will be linked to this that code, so that it directly stores it. And here we also had this I mean, for logging and signing up, those also we should also need some JavaScript to store those, right? So this is that JavaScript for storing those login and HTML pages. So after all this, either you can do it from here, go to terminal, new terminal, wait, in this node space app dot js. So here we got the server is running on port 2000. So after that, when we go to Chrome here and here we can type localhost like this. So here it is asking username. So anything, any username like ABC, email anything, and the password. So let us give 445566. So next sign up. Wait, I think this I already used this account, so we'll just uh, change this account. I mean that email. Okay. Now the username, which is ABC, the password 445566, right? And then it's just click the login. So yeah, here we got that welcome to our dashboard ABC. So which is our username? I just here use ABC, so it came ABC login successful. And let us search for maybe okay. Let us search for triple R search. Yeah, yeah. See, we can get here, and we can also search for another movie. So let us search for and this the spelling of that movie should also be correct. If it is not exactly true as Google, so it will not give. So for this, you just click this Bahubali. So okay, wait, yeah, and you can just copy this. And we had to just paste here, so this is all unnecessary, and we can search it. So I think the conclusion is not added. So the beginning, we will just see the beginning one. Yeah, yeah, this remove all this unnecessary ones. The beginning search. Wait one sec. Controls. Yeah, previous we had a Bahubali one, so here we got this Bahubali, the beginning, the photos, right? So in this way we will get this output. So these all are the code which we use, which is this dashboard. So either you can this terminal where either you can open from here or also you can open from this where all your folders. My folder is in this downloads. Login from. Yeah, from here also you can just remove this and you can just type command. You can either run from here also. So if you run both there here and simultaneous, you'll get an error that already port is open. So it is better to use only one method. In this way, we can create our web application using this all these. So this is a dashboard login page, and this is a sign up page. So that's it. Thank you.